Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about how to create model in Django 2.2. So let's start with the Django 2.2. Before starting this tutorial, please subscribe my channel so you and click on bell icon so you can get notification related to new update Django and any technical videos. So let's start with the ORM. What is the ORM in Django? The basic definition of ORM, object relation mapping. Suppose we have a class, we have object, and so we can access from the data from the database. How it is possible? Exactly, this is possible. So we don't need write other SQL query and MongoDB query. We just can use predefined functions in ORM. That is class and functions. So what is a class in ORM? Class means database, table name is class, and column is a object. So we can fetch from the classes an object we will create after some time, create variable something. Exactly, is a very cool concept by Django ORM. So is present in ORM present in only Django? No, absolutely wrong. ORM is present all framework, big frameworks like Laravel in PHP, Hibernate in Java, as well as a lot of frameworks. Symfony have on ORM. So a lot of ORM present in market. So we will discuss about ORM in Django. Hope so ORM concept will clear now. So now let's start with the full concept what we're going to discuss about in ORM. It's very simple process to understand ORM. So if you have any doubt related to this video, please watch my previous video. Definitely after watch this video, these videos definitely will clear the concept. So I have already installed uh, fresh install Django framework. So now I'm going to show you. This is running port we have already discussed with. This is working. We have worked on before, and now I'm going to discuss with the how to create. Okay, now this is we are the inside of the environment and with the college folders. Now we going to discuss about how to create models. That's a simple process. We have one I'm going to show you from the scratch. Okay, don't worry about it. So I'm going to write here Python manage start app, and I'm going to type here name of the contact. So you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to create like which kind of contact we can suppose I'm going to write. Already we have a college, and okay, so suppose I'm going to make any kind of project. Give me an example if you have whatever you want. So I'm going to put name here. mm, New app, new underscore app. Okay, so now let's check where is the new underscore app. This is a new underscore app, and now this new underscore app we need to add within main root directory, means college underscore setting.py. Now here we need to add same process installs app. So what we need to add here, I'm going to show you apps. This is an app. Okay, now I'm going inside the setting.py. Now here we need to add new underscore app, new underscore app. Within a apps dot we have new configuration setting. This is a folder, basically new underscore app. Within a apps, you can check from within a apps underscore this one. Within a apps dot we have configured this file, and name is new underscore app. Now this concept will clear right now. Now let's start with the add with the model. Okay, so now I'm going inside of the model. I'm going to create class, and this function, this class name will create automatically within our database table. Okay, now add the models dot model. Okay, this is every uh, object ORM will create. Whenever you create, you need to write same syntax. Okay, now we don't need to write id because id will create automatically within a database with primary key and auto increment. We don't need to write anything. Okay, now I'm going to create name, and what are the name? Models dot we want char field, and we can also can configure what is the field and how many fields we need to maximum and minimum. I'm going to type here maximum field is 100. Okay, now inside after that we need to some field more. I'm going to type email, and email field will the email field, and maximum is 100 is correct, no issue. And we're going to again for the mass subject, I don't want to more than 100 fields, this is correct. And now subject and message I want, and what is the message we need to add, as I want message more than char field, so I want to add here text field. We can add something kind of these things. Now we have name, email, subject and message. I want to add one more fields is mobile, and what kind of fields we need to integers fields we need to require here. And what is the maximum max length we can also define. I want maximum 100 put is the maximum integer fields also. Okay, don't worry about it. Now hope so this is clear for you. And now inside after that I'm going to create one more field, created at, created on means basically created date I want here. Okay, so now create date, what kind of data I want, models dot, sorry I've had it wrong, models dot date time field. Okay, so we can add something like that, and this is the auto increment we can add also. This is a auto and odd is equal to true. We don't need to write anything. So this is done from my side. So first step is uh, install apps. We need to configure these things, and after that we need to add within a model. This process also done. And now what we need to do, now we need to run one command is python manage.py and make migrations. Okay, now we getting some error. Now we getting some error is error is true, date field auto is true not defined, name true it's not defined created it. So something we got error here. So let's check true is a we write undefined variable. Okay, so we getting error is not a true, basically here the caps value is true. Now let's check again. Now it's created, you can check from here. Now warning is everything is perfect, remove max length whatever you want. And from max length contact dot mobile, here we need to remove for the max length here. That's great. Now let's check again, migration alter field mobile. Okay, you can check here we have added. So now you can check is the alter field mobile on contact. Now this is done. Now we need to add migrate command. Okay, now we need to add migrate. Now migrate also done. So now we are using already, you can check from installs app by default is SQLite database selected. This is the SQLite. Now I have already SQLite one software, SQLite Studio. You can check from here. I'm already connected with, this is my DB, and I'm going to refresh. Now you can check pages is our is application name, and within a pages we have, sorry, we have created one name is contact inside of the, one second let me check. We have created new underscore app. Where is the new underscore app? Let me check. It's not showing here. We have added something else. New underscore app is app. I think so I've created some mistake. Oh sorry, I have added all fields within a pages. Now let's check again. uh, I have added everything is pages, so I'm going to again copy all fields from here, and I'm going to again within apps I'm going to add here. Now let's check again. Now make migrations is model created successfully. Now run, migrate. Let's check again. Refresh selected database. Now you can check new underscore app is the application name and contact is our table. Okay, now just check here, and id, name, email, subject, and id is automatically created from ORM, primary key, and not null. Okay, this is auto increment, and we don't need to write here anything. So this is name, email, and we have added everything. So now you can check message is text, mobile is integer, and created is name. Now everything is perfect. This is a primary key, and whatever database you want, you can just configure from here. This is a simple example. You can select whatever database engines you have, like MySQL, MongoDB, whatever you have, just configure from here. And I will make, if you want to like a different database like MySQL and MongoDB, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will make for you. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.